Hi everyone, this is Amber with Amber Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. I am here with a very quick unboxing of a package from PrintPression. I'm on their PR team, and as one of the rewards for doing some assignments with the rest of the group, we were gifted with a gift card, and so this package is the result of me using that gift card. So this is a very small order. I had specific goals in mind for what I ordered each of these items for. So without further ado, I will show you what those are. Okay, so the first item that I got was this gorgeous desk mat in this really beautiful teal. And then the second item is this journaling package. So we'll do the desk mat first. I have been eyeing these desk mats for a while, and I chose the teal because my craft space is near a like a turquoise or kind of like a dark teal wall, so I thought it would match really well. And also my Cricut is teal, and I thought this would provide a nice matching background, and I can kind of use this as my workspace. The leather's very soft, it's pretty wide, and looks like it will cover my whole desk. If I'll like zoom out a little bit. But I really like it, and I know that you can also like fold it and bring it with you, using it as a changing pad or maybe like a mobile workspace if I'm doing crafting either at a coffee shop or at the library on the go or something like that. So that is the mat. And then the second item is the journaling kit that Kane had just come out with. Not a journaling kit, I'm sorry, it was a journaling bundle. So these bundles are now on the site for journaling, so you could journal in any planner configuration that you want, either the mini or the personal or the A5 wide. I chose mini specifically because I was doing some experiments over the past couple of weeks with a mini planner, and this is a pink planner that I had set up with like some tabs and some inserts, and specifically I wanted to work with my goals, and there's some things that I did like about this, some things that I didn't, but with what I've learned, I've decided to apply it to a new planner. I went with the journaling pack because I am a very avid journaler, and I thought that something like this in the pocket sized with the rings would be perfect for keeping either in my bag if I have notes on the go or thoughts, or I could keep it next to my bed and have that end of the day download. So this is it's from the Sophisticate collection, so we've got that pocket in here that I love, and we've got the zipper and a lot of additional pockets for storage, so for washi tapes and stickers and things like that. And then the journaling bundle came with 200 sheets of this paper, and I chose the grid design because I really enjoy the grid design for flexibility in writing. So the grid design, it has these it's very light dot grid, so it won't interfere with any thoughts, or I could even doodle in here, and I really like how this size is, and the paper is very smooth, and I think it's just perfect the way it fits in there. So I'm going to work on setting this up. I'll probably share that in a different video. And then the other items that I ordered were the dashboards, so I could fit maybe journaling cards or affirmative quotes here. And then these are the tabs, so I could decorate these as I wish. And it comes with, it looks like 4 tabs, and then there's a page lifter. So stay tuned for the pocket. And I don't plan on making this very detailed. This is by no means going to replace my regular planner, which is a B6, but I think it will be a nice, more like a fun, free-flowing planner with the size. So that's it. That is my very small order. I really look forward to using this mat as a backdrop for like my planner layouts and things, and using it as a mat to protect my surface, like especially when I'm crafting. So I will let you know how the wear is as time goes on. Thanks again for watching this very quick unboxing video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.